fell to the floor and the matchmaker's dress caught fire.
Can you say hello to Dorothy?
Hello, Dorothy.
The mouse through the deep dark wood. A snake saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good.
He goes to the river, but he falls into the water. Splash! Splash!
We at Inspiros have really taken the initiative to ensure the safetyness of our children when they come back to school.